Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Beenish Khan. Today's video is about a lipstick review. So I have these lipsticks from Sara Cosmetics. So guys, you get this lipstick in this card box packaging. I really like this packaging. It's look different and it's very classy. These lipsticks comes in 12 shades and I got 4 shades. Also, I have tried and tested these lipstick and I'm ready to share my opinion. If we talk about the price of this lipstick is 2000 rupees, Pakistani rupees. Now this is the actual lipstick. It has a white marble texture cap and rest of the packaging is transparent. I did like the wand as well because it was really easy to apply the lipstick with this one. Let's swatch the lipstick and talk about what they claim on their website. Now the claim is that it's long wear, soft matte finish, full pigmented, cruelty free, smudge proof. I don't think these are transfer proof. On my lips they are not smudge proof. If we talk about pigmentation, they have got one swipe pigmentation. Shade is called Pisces. They are long lasting. I wear the shade Aries for about 4 to 5 hours and it did not fade out. This shade is like nude kind of pink. You can see the application is super smooth and very easy to apply with this wand. After applying, I'm just gonna leave it like 30 to 45 seconds until it settles into powder matte finish. Also, it's not tacky at all. As I say, it's not smudge proof. Also, this lipstick is very easy to remove with wipes. Next shade is called Libra. Now a quick tip while applying liquid lipstick, when you take the wand out, you just remove excessive product from the wand and then apply the lipstick. Because these lipsticks are very pigmented and you don't want to apply a lot of color in one go. Next shade is called Aries. I'm not gonna tell you whether you should purchase these lipsticks or not. I'm gonna just state the fact and then you can decide whether you want to purchase or not on your own. This shade is very pretty and also it's very easy to remove. Also, I like to mention here, this can come off from inside of your lips if you eat something. Next shade is called Scorpio. Okay, so guys, this one is a bold shade. I really like it. I am the person who love wearing bold colors with natural makeup looks. And this color is so pretty, so beautiful. Love it. This is it for this video. Hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.